What's up, guys? It's Project Beats here to tell y'all about the Rockville studio monitors 5.25. You can get them on Amazon for about $150, and they have the sound quality of some Rocket KRK 5s. But as I'll be showing you, pretty nice studio monitors for the price. I'm a producer, I make beats, and I'll show you how they hook up. The back of them is just these RCA plugs right here, or you can hook it with the bigger plug. But you don't even need the interface. You can actually get the RCA to fit the small connector piece right there. But I have mine hooked into this little $40 interface, audio interface. And yeah, these, look how nice they are. They're pretty nice, I mean pretty big too. I also use a Kai MPK Mini and FL Studio. I'm gonna go ahead and play something on these. You can go to Rockville or search Rockville studio monitors on Amazon to get these. Let me see. Let's play one of my beats. Probably can't hear it too good, but you can get a little sound of how it's gonna be. Play one more.
Project on the beat.
Let's see how they sound. Anyways, if you're not looking to spend a lot of money, man, I suggest getting them speakers. They're very dope. Anyways, peace out. Go to the website, projectbeats252.beatstars.com.